Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Tuesday, the market made a strong comeback from the lower levels. The Nifty initially fell to the levels of 17,200. However, it quickly retreated from the support area and closed at 17,503, which was highest point of the day. Technically, it looks like the market had started a pullback from the recent downturn, and this particular decline had started from the levels of 18,210. The pullback can last up to 17,600 or 17,700 levels. On the downside, 17,300, 17,250 will be major support for the market, and in case if we see the market is dropping to those levels quickly because of any reason, then there we should look for taking some contra bet of going long with a stop loss at 17,200. But for the day specifically, if we see a quick drop to the levels of 17,450, then there we should look for taking some contra bet with a stop loss at 17,400. On the high side, 17,600, 700 would be resistance, and if we see any negative reversal formation, then we should look for taking some contra bet of going short in the market. So broadly for the day, 17,450, 17,600, 700 would be the major levels to keep a close watch. On the cash segment, FIs are consistently selling. Yesterday also they sold more than 4,000 crores in the equity market. But on the FNO side, they have increased their long bets. So with a very short term view, we may see some uptick in the market because of FIs activity, but otherwise FIs are consistently selling, and at resistance levels I think they are going to sell some more into the equities. From the US equity markets, there the things are completely altogether different. We are seeing some specific gains for 10-year treasury yield, around 1.66 it was yesterday. Dollar index was around 96.50, and crude also jumped to the levels of 82. So all these things are still not supportive for emerging markets, for Indian markets, and now the curbing inflation is the center stage policy for policymakers, building up a test for markets as ultra loose pandemic era monetary stimulus is scaled back. A deluge of US data and the latest Fed minutes, all due today, will give investors a read on price pressure and the economic recovery. In short, it's an important day for the US markets, and which is going to impact us in tomorrow's trading sessions. So for the day, yes, we may see some profit taking if we see the market is moving towards 17,700 levels. Be stock specific for the day. Stocks like Reliance Industries, Bajaj Finance, Hindustan Lever, which are heavyweights, ICICI Bank, State Bank, they are recovering from their important support areas, and based on technicals we feel that they have completed their corrective patterns. So certainly we may see some short term recovery in these stocks in today's date, but at higher levels we need to be cautious. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.